Welcome back. Want to invest in real estate in 2025? Watch this first. Here we go. There's no nationwide real estate market. Hyperlocal research on markets is always the first step to any real estate investing journey. No two metros are the same. Every area has different employers, employment diversification, airport access, landlord laws, etc. So we begin 2025. Be prepared to unleash your dry powder. That means you need to unleash your savings. You need to liquidate your stock portfolio. You need to increase your home equity line of credit. If you have rental properties with good equity in your portfolio, if it is like loan to value of around 40 to 50% or less, consider cash out refinance your rentals to pursue this action plan. So if you have IRAs, previous employer 401k, traditional IRA, gather those IRAs, convert it into a self-directed IRA, and use the IRA to purchase rental properties. Real estate's absolute gold mine. Pursue this particular business model. Small town USA. Buying at the beginning of a development before home prices skyrocket as an investor. So what market I'm talking about? DFW. You will hear the word DFW, Dallas, Fort Worth. Current population growth is more than 8 million. Tremendous job creation, tremendous rental market, upcoming projects all over the DFW market, in particular North Texas. What's driving the growth is migration. It's the economy. Texas has more Fortune 500 companies than anywhere else in the country. Tremendous business migration as well. Right now, the state of Texas have 25 million people. The state of California have almost 40 million. By 2040, Texas will almost catch up in California in terms of total population, which is absolutely mind-boggling. Some of you are not aware of this. By 2045, Texas will be the largest metro in the US. More people in Texas than anywhere else. Furthermore, Dallas, in about 35 years, will be largest metro, larger than New York City, larger than Los Angeles County, including Orange County. This is absolutely mind-boggling, the skyrocketing growth of Texas, in particular, Dallas-Fort Worth, in particular, North Texas, which is what we can talk about right now, North Texas, and the area that as an investor, we're exploring Sherman, Denison, Bottom, and Greenville with other submarkets, which I would discuss momentarily. There are some satellite rural small towns in the outskirts of Metro Dallas. We are already seeing historic appreciation in North Texas, in particular Grayson and Collin County, where the median price is only $315K. You will not find anything like it. And already year 2024 over 2023, we're seeing 5% appreciation based on the current data. Moving forward for 2025 should be at least 5% or higher based on the tremendous influx of people moving into North Texas, Grayson, and Collin County. Furthermore, according to U.S. Census Bureau, the fastest growth cities, the top 10 are in North Texas. As you can see, number 1 is Salina, as you can see, Roy City, Melissa, Princeton, Anna, Forney. These small little towns, small town USA, has grown double, triple, quadruple digit in the past few years, and there's no sign of letting it down. All is located in North Texas. And why? Because the high-tech boom is the semiconductor plants will propel Sherman into a high-tech future. It is Silicon Prairie or Silicon Alley, the new Silicon Valley. A city of only 45,000 has landed 2 multi-billion-dollar projects that will cement its place as a semiconductor manufacturing hub. Sherman, which is Texas Instrument and Global Tech, a city of only 45,000 in Sherman, of getting at least 3,000 jobs coming in the next few years. And of course, global tech, another 1,500 plus all host of other companies, high tech, low tech manufacturing and diversification industry are coming to Sherman and the surrounding area, North Texas. And with that said, there's a tremendous housing shortage in North Texas and it's getting worse. Supply is very low and demand is extremely high. Economics 101, when you have high demand and low supply, it will put upward pressure on home prices. Look at this massive growth in North Texas. Okay, all these cities I just mentioned, look at this number, incredible growth in North Texas for years to come. But right now, the next few years is the greatest opportunity for real estate investors trying to buy cash flow properties. Texas population growing the fastest. The Texas counties are leading the U.S. in population growth. It's just all these kind of statistics, all this kind of data, all these kind of trends, as you can see, is absolutely mind-boggling. Silicon Valley is a tech boom, is in North Texas. It's just absolutely a big surge, skyrocketing growth. 1,000 people move to Texas every day, and more than half of them are going to North Texas. Of course, as a network, we have connection with all off markets below value new construction properties. We have the relationship with builders. 90% of the properties we're promoting are off market, not in the multiple listing service, not in anybody's website, etc. Single family home, 2 to 4 units, and even small multi-units, either brand new or recent resales. In the A+ market, high quality rent, high quality everything. So current off market listings, it'll boggle your mind. In the area with high paying jobs and lower cost of living, more than 50% of people who are relocating to North Texas to get these high tech, low tech, middle management jobs for the foreseeable future have an income of at least $150,000. I have never seen anything like this in my 20 years of real estate investing experience, as well as guiding hundreds of our investors. This North Texas market is something I have never seen before in my lifetime. This is not an exaggeration. Only 17% of the people in North Texas at this moment earn less than $75,000. We have high income, 6-figure people that are renting and buying in this market. So strong rental market. The rental is growing exponentially the past few years. If you own a rental property in this market, you could have an excellent renter. About almost half and half of percentage of homeowners and renters in this North Texas region. Highest occupancy rate, highest rental increases for the foreseeable future. This is the current listings. We have listings on a weekly basis throughout North Texas. Our turnkey provider has been around for more than 20 years. We have off-market listings throughout North Texas. And today's listing, the number will be mind-boggling. Okay, new construction in Princeton, Texas, which is about 1 hour north of Dallas and Fort Worth, less than $200,000. It's just mind-boggling. Yes, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-car garage, around 1,200 square foot. I'm not going to go over all the numbers, but you put 20 to 30% down payment, give or take, and giving the rent that you're collecting at $1,650, your monthly net cash flow is anywhere from $400 to $500, which is amazing. We took the liberty of creating another calculation whereby you can buy in the whole projections in a year 1, year 5, and year 10. You will see the exponential numerical growth in all aspects of this property: cash flow, appreciation, rent growth. The current cap rate, which is 8%, which is mind-boggling. Cash and cash return is 9%. You don't see these kind of numbers except if you buy in the Midwest somewhere. The properties are a lot cheaper, but they are cash flow. But those markets are not as hot, obviously. It's not a growth market. So you buy new construction, which is a tremendous value in this particular market. We have took the liberty of creating a 3-year exit option. There's a reason why our turnkey provider and us as a network provider are using this additional metrics for real estate investors out there. Given the growth of this market in North Texas, you could potentially, with the single or double-digit appreciation potential. Look, we don't have a crystal ball, nothing like that, but based on the data, based on the trends, we are very confident that within 3 years or so, given the appreciation growth of your properties, you can potentially cash out, refinance, and buy more properties off the foundation of the portfolio you could create starting today. Furthermore, although the builder, the seller, they don't have to do that because the property sells itself, you are getting some additional incentive, builder incentive, and you're getting, for those of you qualify, right? You're getting like 5.75% 30-year fixed rate loan. And a builder, the seller, can pay you $2,000 in closing costs if you use their preferred lender. We have different builders in this North Texas market, but this particular builder, they're selling this home in Preston, Texas, which is very fast growing on behalf of our network. They offer these incentives. Different builder have different incentives in other inventory that we have for you in other markets like in North Texas. But for this week, this is just one. Some of these properties, they will not be available for 1 to 2 months. They are almost completed. Brand new construction. You could get under contract with this property. You put a relatively small earnest deposit and reserve the property. Then next 1 or 2 months, property is finished being built. Then you can close escrow as an investor, and our property professional property management and whole turnkey system on the ground will help you with all the legwork. And then another floor plan we have available. This is mind-boggling. You would not see any market in the country now or for foreseeable future. You're getting such a low price point, and when it's such a fast-growing, amazing, explosive market. Another plan, we have $225K, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-car garage at 1,419 square foot. How cool is that? Again, I'm not going to discuss too much about the numbers, but suffice to say, all the numerical metrics is off the chart. And you put 20 to 30% down payment, here's the total down payment and all that. One thing, how could I forget? The property tax rate, as you can see right here, is a little bit more than 1%. Yes, we talk about Texas, the allegedly high property tax rate, but of course, each local market is different. The monthly tax is $206 in this particular floor plan. Multiplied by 12 months, $2,400 property tax per year on a purchase price of $225. We're talking property tax of only 1%. Are they going to go up in the next few years, the property tax rate? Probably. So we deal with it. But which is mind-boggling to buy a property in Texas right now, and the property tax rate is a little bit more than 1%. Whereas oftentimes we hear some property tax rate in Texas like 2 to 3%. So another bonus you're getting with this builder in this neighborhood. The third floor plan we have available is $230K. Look at this. $230K on a brand new property, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, around 1,600 square foot. 4-bedroom is mind-boggling. And with a low price, you're not going to see this price again. This price will go higher. How much higher in the next few years? I don't know. You put 20 to 25% down payment or even 30%. And here's the total out of pocket. And then the gross rent, right now only $1,700 on this particular property, but the rent is going to go up because of the high income, 6-figure potential renters that's going to rent your property for the foreseeable future before they become a homeowner. Not everybody, when they move into a new area, they're going to buy, right? The monthly net cash flow is anywhere from $350 to $450. This is just a pro forma, right? It's just projection, but very high cash flow, relatively speaking. We look at the projections, 3, 4, 5 years exit. The exit means you sell the property to a 1031 tax-free exchange, or you can cash out refinance from the equity tax-free and use the equity at the 3rd, 4th, 5th year mark to buy more property so you can scale domino effect. That's how you accelerate your real estate portfolio to accelerate your financial freedom retirement destination. next 3 to 5 to 6 years, 7 years. Real estate is long term. So beautiful properties, excellent location here in Princeton, Texas, one of the fastest growing regions in the country in North Texas. And again, we promote our turnkey provider, great property manager. They've been in this market for several decades. They are very confident create this strategy. Like I said, 2 to 6 year hold. You buy the property. Look, if you have the means, if you have the money down payment to buy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 properties at one time, or the next 6 months or the next 12 months, please do wrap up. Some of you want to buy one property at a time, whatever, right? You buy based on your due diligence and information, your confidence level. If you want to create amazing retirement, and this is the market to do it, obviously. So you purchase one or more property today, for example, you hold it for 2 to 6 years, then you sell the property and do a 1031. I wouldn't recommend selling it. You don't want to kill the goose that lay multiple golden eggs, if you will. Keep your property, do a cash out refinance, leverage into multiple more properties, and repeat the process every few years. Our turnkey provider on the ground with the amazing property management, they service all your investors' needs. Whatever your goals are, we help you scale your portfolio. Again, we have the unique process. It's all turnkey, very passive, regardless of where you live. Again, buy now, refinance 2 to 6 years to scale your portfolio, multiply your streams, mostly all off-market new construction homes. We are the one-stop shop for your entire process before, during, and after, and long-term servicing and helping you to create long-term health. So anyway, that's all I have to say right now. And if you want to reach out to me, of course, here is the contact information. These properties will be gone within a week. Right now, it's the best time to buy during the holidays. Every end of the year is the best time to buy if you're a real estate investor. During the spring of every year, a lot of people are going to get off the sidelines, and there will be a lot more competition. At the end of the day, North Texas is the fastest growing region in the country. Dallas-Fort Worth, the third largest metro in the country. Number 1 is New York City. Number 2 is Los Angeles and Orange County. And number 3 is Dallas Metro, which is absolutely mind-boggling. So tremendous demand, tremendous growth. A lot of company moving in North Texas, and high-tech company, and all these little towns that I just mentioned is very fast growing. This rural town still very good, high quality of life, good school system, a lot of outdoor activities, the lakes and parks, and a small town feel. This little town will not be so little anymore. So amazing opportunity for those of you who have the mindset to take action and to create your wealth. Thank you so much. If you receive any value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to us, please put your email on the website below on the body of the description so you can become a free member of our real estate investment network. So you get a free email, great educational contents in your email newsletter every morning. So you could watch all the free real estate investing news and opportunities available to your email inbox every single morning. Thank you so much. I'm so excited, and you should be. So make 2025 the year you take action to achieve your financial goals in the next 5 to 10 years, or even sooner, depending on your situation. Thank you so much. To Seewing Yee, I'll see you on the other side. Have a nice day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.